Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dune in 21 minutes. To begin your rapid game, select 4 factions, such as Atreides, Harkonnen, Fremen, and Spacing Guild, for a balanced and swift experience. Quickly set up the game board and components, aiming to complete this within 2 minutes. Each player receives their initial hand of 5 cards and 3 spice tokens. Finally, prepare the spice blow deck and position the storm marker to start your adventure on Arrakis. The core of playing Dune quickly involves understanding the 5 distinct phases of each round. First, the spice blow phase introduces new spice to the board, often in contested territories. Next, players strategically move their forces and engage in combat to seize control of vital locations. Following this, the treachery card phase allows players to bid for powerful cards that can turn the tide of battle. Remember to keep these phases moving swiftly to stay within our 21-minute goal. To win Dune in record time, your primary objective is to control 3 strongholds. This requires aggressive play and smart tactical decisions. Forming alliances with other factions can provide crucial support and shared victory conditions, often accelerating your path to success. Leverage your chosen factions' unique abilities to their fullest potential, as these offer significant advantages in combat or spice acquisition. Always prioritize collecting spice, essential for bidding on powerful treachery cards. For a truly fast-paced game, cultivate the habit of making swift decisions. Avoid lengthy deliberations and trust your instincts. Clear and concise communication with allies and opponents will help keep the game flowing smoothly. Concentrate on immediate objectives rather than elaborate, long-term strategies, as this drives the game forward. With consistent practice, you will naturally improve your speed and efficiency, mastering Dune in 21 minutes or even less.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.